How to verify Cash App account. Let's get started. Launch your Cash App account. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the top right corner, you're gonna find this icon. Click on it. You will land to the profile page. Here you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of personal. Now add your email address or phone number and then add your address. After you provide all the details, you will be good to go. This information is necessary to verify your account. Now you can head back, scroll down, navigate to the option of limits. Once you have added your personal information, you will notice a change in your account limits. Verifying your account is crucial if you plan to exceed these limits. Cash App will prompt you to verify your account with your full name, date of birth, and address if you send or receive more than the set limits. This is to keep your account secure. In the US, you will need to verify your account to purchase or withdraw assets like cryptocurrency. To do this, go to the asset purchasing page and look for a button that says something like Enable Withdrawals. You will need to provide your ID for this. Remember, you only need to verify your account when Cash App prompts you. However, it's always a good idea to keep your personal information up to date. And that's the wrap for this video. This way you can easily verify your Cash App account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.